my YouTube channel. It's me, Winonah, that I'm Winonah. So for this video, we're going to do a thrift flip. We're going to transform this old sweatshirt into an amazing turn-off. By the way guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications bell and smash the thumbs up button if you're enjoying this video. And also, leave a comment down below if you're... I am really inspired to do this thrift flip dahil gustong-gusto ko po talaga magkaroon ng ganito na turno, but turns out nahihirapan po ako makakuha nito dahil isang unang-una po dahil po sa size ko, dahil napakaliit ko po, para pong pangbata yung sizes ko. And secondly, kung mag-order po ako sa Shopee, like, hindi po talaga ako sure kung maganda ba yung tela. Kaya, nung nakita ko ang sweatshirt na ito, napag-isipan ko talaga na gawin ko itong ganito. And I'm so happy that it turns out a nice product. Make sure to watch it till the end at may pasabog po tayo sa last part po, kaya abangan nyo po. Kung napapansin nyo po na paiba-iba po yung clips ko, paiba-iba ang lugar ng clips ko at yung brightness po, dahil po yon, 2 araw ko po itong ginawa. To the point yung sumakit na po talaga yung likod ko at katawan ko. Share ko lang po, pati yung ulo ko. Naabutan na nga ako ng alas 12 ng hating gabi kakatahi po, pero ginusto ko po yon dahil hindi po nakatulog. So without further ado, let's get started. Una po sa ating listahan ay itong polo shirt. A polo shirt from Guess. Yes. Ang polo shirt na po ito ay nabili lang po ito ng ate ko sa ukay-ukay lang po. Kaya hindi po talaga ako maghihinayang na putulin. I really hope that I'll have a perfect results. First, we are going to measure the size from its length, width, sleeves, and so on. Kaya, kinuha ko ang aking crop top para pagbasehan kung gaano kahaba ito. So, for the length, we have 13 inches. Then, for the width, we have 15 inches. So, I measured the width of the button-down polo and it is 21 inches. Since I only need 15 inches width, I decided to cut both sides by 4 inches. For the size of the sleeves, we have 5 inches and make sure to have the same exact size for the other side. Now that it's all set, all we have to do is to cut it out. When cutting it, make sure to always put allowances. It's now time to sew the cutted part. bottom part of the button-down polo. Kaya kinuha ko ang aking miniskirt for the bases of it. And using the back part of the polo, I started to trace it down for my bases and cutting it later on. Then, ginupit ko ang linya na para sa mga botones dahil hindi na natin ito kakailanganin. This time, I cutted the one that I traced a while ago. At tinahi ko ito starting from the line of the both sides. Now that I'm done sewing it, I cutted the excess of the back part para magkasya ito sa akin. So, I have a zipper here and I attach it at the back part connecting the both sides of the cloth. Sleeves of the polo. Cut the side of it and the end part of the sleeves looking like this. Cut it vertically to make a rectangular shape. Fold it into half and cut. Cutting, fold it again. Now, all we have to do is sew it together and attach at the top part of the skirt, like this. Got some hook here and I attach it at the back part to finally close it.